Hallo Kinder, welcome to my channel Lerne Deutsch. This is a 10-day German workshop. Today we are going to cover numbers in German. Let's begin. Die Zahlen. Die Zahlen. Null. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, once again, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12. Once again, 10, 11, 12. Let's now revise 0 to 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's proceed. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's revise 13 to 20. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's cover all the numbers together 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's learn some objects. Die Objekte. Die Objekte. So what do you see here? Bleistifte. Bleistifte. The next one. Bags. What do you see? Taschen. Taschen. The next one. Bücher, Bücher. What do you see now? Flaschen, Flaschen. Eier, Eier. Let's revise. Bücher, Flaschen, Taschen, Bleistifte, Eier. So what is the first object that you see? Bücher. The second object is Flaschen. What is the third object that you see? Taschen. The fourth object that you see? Bleistifte. And the last object is Eier. Let's count the objects. Let's count the Bücher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Bücher. Let's proceed to the next one. Taschen. Let's count the number of Taschen. 1, 2, 3. 3 Taschen. The next one. Which object do you see here? Bleistifte. Let's count the number of Bleistifte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 Bleistifte. Let's check out another object. Eier. How many Eier do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Eier. Flaschen. Let's count the number of Flaschen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 Flaschen. Danke. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the more videos. Thank you.